So, you're working outside and it starts raining? Here's an umbrella made by Orca. Welcome to Morphilm Academy Product Review Series. Today, we talk about the OR-112 Production Umbrella. So basically, it's an umbrella. A quite large umbrella that can cover a lot. It's well made and even has a nice trick up its sleeve. Or pull. It has a nice aluminum handle with a 3/8 of an inch female thread so that you can attach it to whatever you want. The only problem with it is that it's just an umbrella. What I mean is that rain doesn't simply come straight down. As soon as there's a small breeze, the rain will simply come from the side on your equipment. So it does protect from most of it and can definitely save your gear in an emergency. But so could any umbrella that's not over $60 US. For that price, I would love to see more features. For example, an articulated pole so that you can orient it in different directions to, perhaps, protect you from the sun. Because yes, I think this would be more useful to prevent sunburns or overheating your gear rather than rain protection. However, I tried that with this umbrella and it's not opaque enough to block out the sun completely. But if they can do that, it would definitely be more useful. Another thing they could add is some sort of removable drop-down cover to protect your gear from the side. This would be a great upgrade in my opinion. Or they could create a universal rain cover for sound carts, perhaps a little foldable tent. A few other things to note. The aluminum handle does scratch and dent really easily. Also, I'm concerned that it's only the small point of contact holding the umbrella. I feel like heavy wind might break it. I think it's more secure just to use a clamp directly on the handle. So overall, it's a great quality large umbrella that might or might not be worth the price. But the idea definitely has potential. Let me know if you have any questions and thanks for watching.